Want to know how to organize files and attachments in Monday.com? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to handle your project files like a pro, making your workflow smoother and faster. But before we dive in, here's a quick warning. While Monday.com has some great features, I'll also share a better alternative at the end that could make managing your files even easier. Keep watching to find out what it is and get an exclusive free trial you won't want to miss. First off, Monday.com has a solid structure for file management. It lets you upload files directly to your tasks, making it easy to attach them to specific items, which helps keep everything organized. You can upload PDFs, images, and even videos, all with drag and drop simplicity. The ability to add files to the exact task where they're needed is crucial if you're juggling multiple projects. Next thing you'll love about Monday.com is the file versioning. If you upload multiple versions of a file, you can easily track the changes by viewing the file history. This makes collaboration much smoother, as you're able to access older versions without the headache of searching through your emails or past conversations. The third thing you need to know is that Monday.com gives you the option to add files directly from other services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This makes it super convenient if you're already storing your documents in those tools. No need to leave the platform, just connect your accounts and get your files added with a couple of clicks. The fourth thing to consider is the way Monday.com organizes attachments within each task. Each file is listed clearly within the task's activity log, so you can quickly see what's been attached. It's useful for keeping track of everything that's been added, and you can even tag teammates in comments to get their input on specific files. However, there are a few drawbacks. Monday.com's organization system can sometimes feel a bit cluttered, especially as the number of files grows. It lacks the sort and search features some other tools offer to help streamline file management. If you're working with hundreds of attachments, things can get a bit overwhelming. Now, let's talk about the last thing, the mobile app. Monday.com's mobile app does let you access and manage files, but it's not as intuitive as the desktop version. If you're trying to manage your attachments while on the go, it can be a bit clunky compared to other platforms. But here's the thing, while Monday.com does offer some good file organization features, it may not be the best solution for everyone. For more streamlined file management with better search and organization, we recommend checking out Software Name. This platform offers more advanced file sorting options and integrates seamlessly with other popular services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Plus, it comes with a better mobile experience, making it easier to manage files on the move. Before we finish, I want to mention that if you're interested, we've secured an exclusive and AMP extended free trial for you. Click the link in the description to get the best deal and benefits that are only available to our viewers. But that's not all. We've also shared some other amazing alternatives with free trials that could be a better fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out the links below for your free trials.